No,
Getting the hang of it
that's
now?
it. He's gonna go crazy about food now.
Yep.
Okay, slowly.
Oh man, look at him.
Mm.
Oh, that's good, huh?
That's a good one, huh? Yeah, he's doing good. Did you like the food?
He's like, this is what I've been missing.
Calm down, buddy.
He just almost took the whole spoon from you. Oh my god.
Yeah, hold it. Yeah, that's your food.
I think he wants to eat the spoon.
Yeah, he wants to grab this one.
Oh man.
Was it good?
Mush face. Not gonna let go.
Was it good?
Mush face.
Is that his or yours?
That was my stomach.
Can I give you some more? Let it go. So mommy can give you some more.
One more spoon.
Here.
Oh man. One more. Come on.
That was a good one.
Good.